But the big sneaker hitter for the weekend has to be the Air Jordan 6 DMP. Now, to be honest, these are garbage. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, today, we have to talk about sneakers, and more sneakers. We have a whole lot of shoes that are releasing, more specifically, like a lot of bangers too. So I am going to go ahead and get straight into that. Before we go ahead and get into this video, as you guys already know, the Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at ImChrisBriggs and at ImChrisBriggs too. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper, because we are about to get it popping. Alright, so for the first thing in sneaker news, we have to give it to the Yeezy 350 V2 linen. Now, this is a dope colorway, you feel me? I'm really liking that little cream upper like I talked about. I talked about these in the other video. If you guys haven't seen the last video, that was my top 6 best sneaker releases of April 2020. That video was an absolute banger. I spent like 4 days editing that one, so if you guys want to check out a nice little banger, there is one over here. The Yeezy linens did drop today, and they flew, bro. They did better than I actually expected them to. I tried to join in and try to see if I could grab them, and yeah, they shut the Adidas website down, and they also shut Yeezy supply down. So when it comes to the Yeezy 350 V2 linen, were you guys able to cop those? Go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. But the big sneaker hitter for the weekend has to be the Air Jordan 6 DMP. Now, to be honest, I expected this sneaker to sell out. There are still sizes available online.
Correction. These things all sold out by the end of the day.
But what's funny is that years ago when this sneaker dropped, bro, this sneaker would have sold out like this. I was definitely surprised to wake up in the morning trying to cop this shoe and saw that it was sitting almost everywhere. I tried to get the sneaker on the sneakers app, took a fat L. I don't know what it is about me and kicks on the sneakers app, but I always take L's when I try to get on the sneakers app. But you feel me? Went to Foot Locker, went to Finish Line, saw that pairs were sitting, and you know, maybe, just maybe, something was able to happen. To be continued on that. Now for the next thing in sneaker news, we have to talk about the Nike Air Max 720 in this weird outer space type of theme. The Air Max 720 is a dope shoe, you know, very comfortable sneaker. If you guys are looking for a nice little wide fitting shoe, which is cool, which kind of fits super comfortable because of that 720 Air Max bottom, that is the sneaker for you. But in my opinion, bro, looking at this outer space UFO alien wear type of theme sneaker, bro, for me, this is just going to be a quick, smooth path. I'm probably gonna look at this sneaker today, and I'm never gonna look at this sneaker again. If I head to the stores, I'm gonna see it, and you're gonna see this sneaker for $59.99.99. I guarantee you. In a little bit, this sneaker will be hitting the outlet, so I'm not tripping over this sneaker at all. But how do you guys feel about this sneaker? Do you guys think that it is dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now the next sneaker that we have to get into is the Nike SB Dunk High 420, which is going to be flipping that iconic Nike SB Skunk look. Now, I'm gonna have to keep it 1,000 with you, bro. You feel me? It is April. When you catch this video, it might be 420, bro. This is the sneaker for 420, bro. You know, shout out to everybody celebrating 420 out there, you feel me? This sneaker is hard. I love when Nike SB comes out and they give us these theme sneakers. They give us a shoe with a concept. These are fire. If you guys are looking at all the different types of purples, you know, there's a reason why there's purples on the upper. If you know, you know. And also, if you're looking at that Nike swoosh, the Nike swoosh is going to be in a cool little olive green. There's reasons why it's in an olive green also. If you know, you know. I think that this sneaker is dope. Now, one thing that I am learning about this sneaker is that it is super limited. There are only going to be 420 pairs. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm going after this one. I have to. I gotta go after this one. One of my favorite sneakers of all time is the Nike SB Skunks, and a size 10. A size 10 in that sneaker today in 2020 will cost you a cool $2,500 right off the hip. Right, just boom, PayPal it. You feel me? Straight $2,500 for a sneaker that came out in 2010. So I'm not gonna be able to cop that sneaker for a while. That's pretty much all I'm gonna say. But these bad boys right here, I will be going after. Hopefully I don't catch a smooth L, but you know what I'm saying? Listen, bro. Hopefully the 420 guys can, you know what I'm saying? Look out for your boy.
No, that did not happen at all. This whole sneaker release was rigged to the max. All pairs were backdoored at one skate shop retailer, and two stopped Nike from knowing about it. They hosted a fake raffle. Just utterly despicable.
Now for the next thing is sneaker.
Rigged. These were rigged, bro. Rigged. How these get posted so early? Rigged.
We have to talk about these Reebok USCM Bug Stompers, which is a collaboration will be coming out for Alien Day. Alien Day, is it? I don't know exactly what Alien Day is. Now this sneaker will be releasing April 26, 2020, and the price is going to be $220. Now, honestly, looking at this sneaker, being completely honest, I'm you know what I'm saying, I have to be real with you on this channel. This might be the worst pair of kicks I've seen in the last couple months. The Bug Stompers are trash. These are garbage. Holy moly, bro. Like that camo along the back. I know this sneaker is going to be attached to a concept, you feel me? I know the concept might be something patriotic, you feel me? I don't want to be offensive. I really don't, but I have to keep it 1,000. These shoes are trash, bro. I don't know how you gonna be able to drip in these, bro. If you think you could drip in these back, if you think you could drip in the Reebok Bug Stompers, if you really think you could drip in the Reebok Bug Stompers, let me know in a comment section down below, bro. Bug Stomper is the right name. When you got like roach infestations or like ant infestations, bro, and you gotta call the goddamn exterminators, they gonna be wearing these bad boys.
Okay, that's cap. I changed my mind. These with the packaging included is actually pretty hard. I mean, look at these things. That box color combo is fire. Sneakers not for everybody, but I'd cop.
Now for the next thing in sneaker news, we have to talk about the Nike LeBron 17 What The. Yes, we have a What The LeBron 17 sneaker coming. To keep it 450 million with you. The last LeBron What The collaboration that I thought was fire was probably like the 11s. After the 11s, especially the 9s, bro. After the 11s though, it said bleep, like it just went completely downhill. Now we are seeing brand new pics of a brand new What The collaboration, but we're not seeing true pics yet. These are just little sample, little teaser pics. From what I'm looking at right now, the sneaker looks like it shows some promise. Now if you guys don't know what like the What The concept is, they take like every single hyped up or like poppin' LeBron 17 colorway and they morph them all into one sneaker, and it makes it this big, ugly, fabulous mess. I'm really liking the right pair that I'm seeing so far, where you're seeing more greens and purples and oranges. That's cool. I don't know how the secondary pair is gonna look, how the left shoe is gonna look. I don't know. Depending on how the left shoe looks, will depend on whether I cop this sneaker or not. Any LeBron 17 model that comes out is going to be an easy cop if you're on your game. So I mean, like, I don't. It'd be cool to throw a What The in the collection. I think that would be pretty hard, but I don't know, bro. I'm saying all this right now, and in all actuality, bro, I seriously might just pass on these. Now for the next thing in sneaker news, we have to talk about the full Air Dior footwear and apparel collection. I'm just going to get into how I feel about the sneaker. I dropped a full video on how to buy it. It's all in the channel. I go deep in it. I go in depth into it. One thing that I will say is when I did make that video, bro, we wasn't quarantine, so I'm not exactly sure when the sneaker is going to be releasing now, and I took a look and they honestly don't know either. For release dates, it said spring, summer 2020. If you guys are actually looking for the sneaker, bruh, you know, keep your ears to the sneaker news or the Sneaker Bar Detroit. They will kind of keep you up to date. But how I feel about the low tops and the high tops in general, I think that they're cool. You feel me? The colors are cool. The gray is cool. The gray and white is cool. The icy bottom is cool. The main thing that I really don't care for is the price of the shoe, because I understand Christian Dior. I get all of that. I'm not really into like the luxury like that, but Christian Dior, I understand it. It's a big popping luxury brand, you know, very expensive models. I don't see anything with this sneaker that garners it to be $2,000. And I don't see anything with this sneaker that garners it to be so hard to cop. So for me, that sneaker is a big pass. If we're going into looking for the full collection, it's almost like they're going for this business casual sporty look. Like they have like a nice little navy blue Air Dior kind of like cardigan vest, which, you know, it's pretty cool. Other than that, it's kind of like toiletry, like a toiletry bag, a pair of socks, I believe I saw a tie in there, and you know what I'm saying? Like for $2,000, for the shoe to be $2,000, you know, you would think that the apparel that comes with the shoe would be that much more fire, but it's not. It's kind of just plain and regular to me. You know, it might come with some pants too. I believe I saw like a white button up too. Like they're going for more of that sporty business look. If you're making the big bucks at your corporate job, you can walk in there with the full Dior collaboration on, you know? Hey, if you want to do that and you got the money to do that and you can figure out how to cop these shoes, because buying this sneaker is really like finding out where the Mona Lisa is. If you can figure that out, then I guess you are good. But for me, for Chris Briggs, for me, when it comes to the Air Dior's, oh, that's a pass. Oh yeah, I'm sleeping on these. Oh yeah, pillow, you know, I got the comforter, the threaded sheets. Oh yeah, I'm snoozing on these bad boys. All right, so for the next thing in sneaker news, we have official images of the Air Jordan 4 metallic orange, which is going to be coming out May 16th for $190. Now, looking at this metallic orange pair right now, it's cool. It's a pretty cool, simple Air Jordan 4. I'm not, oh my God, I really need them. I'm not doing that about these. I just think that they're a cool shoe. Now, out of all 4 colorways that are dropping, I feel like I'm going to grab one of them, but I might just grab one of them just for like review purposes. I really want to get the review out on the channel. Gotta review everything. But having a sneaker like this in my collection, if I was to even keep one of these, which I really don't think I will, it might be the white and purple one. This white and metallic orange colorway is cool, you know, nice and simple, but not, oh, also, it's a nice little summer shoe too, because you know, it's the summertime. You're gonna be able to find this sneaker in the outlets around like September. These things are gonna definitely hit the outlets, so if you wanna wait for them, that's what I recommend doing. Now, the next shoe that we have to get into is the same Air Jordan 4, but in that metallic red colorway. When it comes to this sneaker right here, like I said with the orange ones, they're cool, nice and simple. These are going to be coming out May 16th, but along with the orange pair, I'm not pushing myself to grab these bad boys at all, you feel me? I'm kind of confused, bro, because all of them are going to be coming out at the same time, because these are gonna sit. I don't want things to get like confused. These are going to sit. It's like when you go into your finish line or when you go into the Foot Locker or Champs, are you just gonna see like a bunch of 4s just sitting? I don't know, maybe they have a different look going in mind for the release, but if I was to drop it, I drop like 1 a week instead of dropping them all at the same time. But hey, maybe things will change. I honestly don't know. Now, the next thing in sneaker news that we have to get into is this Nike Air Max 98, which is coming in this atomic pink and crimson tint. Now, this is a women's colorway, you feel me? Have to show some love to the ladies on the channel. When it comes to this sneaker right here, I think that they're pretty cool. I think that they're dope. I think that my girl would love these. Now, the Air Max 98 is a dope model. I recommend that if you are gonna cop them, maybe go a half size up. A lot of Air Maxes fit pretty narrow in the foot, and if you got like foot problems like me and you broke your toe like every year of high school, then you're gonna need to go up a half the size on some sneakers. These are definitely fire. There's no release date coming out so far yet, but I'm gonna see what my girl think about these. All right, so for the next and the last thing for this week's sneaker news, bro, Kanye West finally gives Nike his blessing to retro the Air Yeezys. Now, I am definitely torn about this, and before we get deep into it, I gotta grab the computer because it's a full thing. The last time you saw this bad boy, he had a whole bunch of stickers on him. Just for the video, you feel me? Just for the nostalgia. Yeah, there we go. Yep, that's what. Now on sneaker news, bro, it looks like Kanye had a interview with GQ. Don't remember when, bro, but GQ asked this man specifically, can Nike retro the original Air Yeezy 1 and Air Yeezy 2 sneakers? And if they made a move toward releasing them, what would you do? And then Kanye West said, man, I'm with everything. I should do the Kanye West accent. GQ also said, what do you mean? You could be okay with that? Kanye West, man, anything that the kids want and the people want, people should be able to have what they want. That was a horrible Kanye West impression. Kanye West said, man, I'm with everything. Man, anything that the kids want and the people want, people should be able to have what they want. Now, the first Nike Air Yeezy 1 model released April 4th, 2009, and it came out at a price of $250 in 2009. They coming for your heads. They came for your wallets in 2009. Now, the Nike Air Yeezy 2 released June 9th, 2012 and February 9th, 2014 for $250. Now, let's go ahead and unpack this real quick. Of course, if Nike was to re-retro the Yeezy model, it would be beneficial that they do that because a lot of Yeezys do sell out And Yeezy is just on the up and up. As long as they stop releasing them dang earth tone colorways. We already know that if Nike decides to re-retro the Yeezy name has to be attached to it, and Kanye has to be getting a piece of that. He has to. That's an iconic model. You have to be getting a piece of that. My only thing is, how would Adidas feel with Kanye letting Nike do that? You know what I'm saying? Would they be cool with that? Would they not be cool with that? I don't understand that. I don't really know. But on the business aspect, that's just over there. We only worried about the kicks. When it comes to the kicks, to be honest with you, if they release them just once, just release them just once. That's it. Don't over-release them. Don't try to come out with weird colorways. No. Just drop this shoe one time only. You feel me? Each sneaker should come out just once. You know what I'm saying? Like, you remember how the Virgil Abloh, the 10 collection came out? They should do each sneaker just like that. And then they should leave the Yeezy alone for good. Then in like 30 years, do it again. Just like that. But after that, leave the Yeezy models alone. The one thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to make so many pairs of the Yeezy that everybody buys them. Because once everybody has a pair of Air Yeezy 1s and Air Yeezy 2s, guess what that's going to do? That is going to destroy the mystique of the shoe. The one thing about Adidas that kind of messed up on, but I do understand why they did it, is with the Yeezy 350, bro. The Yeezy 350, when that shoe first came out, was like, oh my God, I gotta get my hands on it. I have to get my hands on this shoe. But the more they released colorway after colorway after colorway after colorway after colorway, it destroyed the mystique of the shoe. I got cloud whites, I got citrons, I got blushes. Let's keep it real. Those colorways probably shouldn't have dropped. Keep it concise, keep it small. Zebras, pirate blacks, the moon rocks, the tan joint, leave it alone. But how do you guys feel about Kanye giving Nike his blessing to re-retro the Yeezy? That's a big move, bro. This man Kanye is a big player in the game, bro. I just gotta goddamn Derek Jeter my hat. You know what I'm saying? I can't let y'all see too much, bro, because we in quarantine. Your boy ain't have a cut in about a month and a half. But let me know how you guys feel about that in the comment section down below. But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Now, what was your favorite sneaker that I talked about today? Was it that metallic Air Jordan 4 collection? Was it the Air Dior collection? Was it those 720s? Was it those women's Air Max 98s? Was it the DMP 6s? Or was it a different sneaker? Let me know in a comment section down below. Like I always say, thank y'all for watching as always. More videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings. 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 And Chris Briggs signing out.